Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage call controls for your headphones Beats Fit Pro on your iOS device. You have to start by open settings and now click on your headphones here. And scroll down a bit, right here we have call controls. So by default we have mute and unmute on a single press and finish the call on the double press, and you can change it. So click on one of that and choose another option. So let's say for mute we have by default press once, so I'm click on press twice and it changed also to finish a call. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.